I'm Dorothy Sikora.
I'm Ernie Sikora. We're doing the Redford 3.
We've enjoyed touring all the model homes, seeing all of our options. The staff has been wonderful to work with. They've been very patient and very knowledgeable, and the options are wonderful. Well, I love their warranty. We love their floor plan options. There's a lot of visuals to see that really helps a person trying to build a home and put their ideas together, and we've gotten a lot of help with that. It's been very helpful. I would tell them that so far it's been a wonderful experience for us. I would encourage them to go through the model homes that are available for them to see, to ask their questions. There's lots of staff that will answer all of their questions, and they all have wonderful patience, and if they don't know the answer, they get somebody who does. And I would encourage them. All of the areas they're building the Shaw homes are just beautiful, and there's one for every need.